Hey, I'm Toni J. I'm an artist and I'm here to give you a channel update. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm happy that you're here. I made this channel to show you my transformation in many different areas of my life. It was inspired by Shameless Maya and her Do You Boo challenge, which I still participate in. When I first made it, I thought about how a lot of times we see people on social media and they only show their highlighted moments. It's like a curated feed of the end result of their success. Rarely does anyone show their process, their true process. I love watching transformation channels and they inspired me to share my journey. In 2016, I vlogged almost every day of my life and I focused on taking risks, achieving my goals, and being authentically me. I wasn't able to consistently edit vlogs during that time because my computer was constantly crashing and I had to re-edit videos over and over again. This rolled over into 2017. After that, I started working and I got to a point where I was too tired to edit. I have pretty much uploaded all of those vlogs from back then, which I think were important to share because you see my growth in real time. I took you through when I was in a photography course and felt discouraged to creating my first photography website and going to photo conferences to strengthen my skills. Now that I have more time to work on my channel, I have come up with some ideas and a more organized plan for the direction of my channel. I am a professional photographer. I will have photography videos where I will show you my process in creating fine art, portraiture, self-portraits, and more. I'll have retouching videos in Photoshop, behind the scenes of photo shoots, photography tips and tricks, and videos on any fun photography related topics. I have a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree with a concentration in art, so I will have a series talking about art school, what to expect, how to prepare for different aspects of that major, and giving you a heads up on certain things that I wish I knew when I was a freshman in college. I will do a college series for hacks and different advice for college students too, and hopefully that will help a lot of college students or freshmen. I'll talk about my law of attraction experiences since I started this channel and books that have helped me through my journey. My journey vlogs will consist of me documenting my growth through starting and running a business, hair and health videos, my gardening journey, random inspirational videos, and any challenge that I take on that I want to share with you. Thank you for subscribing and supporting me, and I am excited to take you along my journey.